Looking at another angle, the new side. As the volleyball season comes to an end, we will be asking the supporters of the NU Bulldogs about their sentiments all throughout their journey this season 86.
Hoxton Street was overflowing with gold and blue pride as both the NU men's and women's volleyball teams clinched the double championship title in the Battle of Sampaloc last May 15 at the Mall of Asia Arena, Pasay City.
Gathering to watch the championship match, let's ask the fans, supporters, and alumni of the NU Bulldogs some questions about the success of our volleyball teams this season. What do you think was the key to the team's success this year?
I think the key to their success this year is that they can communicate well with their teammates, and also even though they're leading, very humble sila and down to earth. Parang hindi sila nagiging kampante na lamang sila or mas leading sila sa ibang team.
How has the fan support and atmosphere at games been throughout the season?
Oh, I would describe it as tremendous. Sobra yung fan support. It's been very good for the team. Brings them a lot of confidence, no? So sana tuloy-tuloy ganyan the whole game.
What was the most memorable moment of the season for you?
Siyempre, yung most memorable for me, yung second round, yung na-sweep ng National University women's volleyball team, yung second round.
For me, memorable yung press con. Kasama ko nun si Vanji, pati si Cham. As in, wala kaming ginawa kundi magtawanan lang that day. So, sa tuwing na-interview ko sila, Alaysa, sila Bella, tapos mag-heart-to-heart kami. Like, iba yung feeling na, katabi mo lang sila. Pero grabe ang halimaw pala nila sa court.
Which player do you think made the biggest impact this season and why?
Para sa akin po, sa women's po, si Ate Bel po. Kasi diba MVP po siya. Tapos sobrang laki po ng tulong po niya sa team po nila. Kasi sa defense po meron po. Tapos sa harap po, nakakatulong po siya. Tapos vocal po siya sa court. Sa men's po, siguro po si Kuya Owa po. Kasi sobrang galing po niya magsalita sa court. Tapos nalilid po niya yung team po nila. Tapos yun nga po, captain po siya. Ang galing po niya, wala lang.
For men's, I think Almendras and Owa. Kasi like, si Almendras, I've been watching him for a long time na rin in NU and he's really playing good and deliver well pag naglalaro sila. And Owa, just leader talaga as in, and I like yung gano'n siya katalino mag-play. Kaya nga sabi ko, pwede na siyang mag-abroad. The women, si Bella and Alaysa Solomon. Si Alaysa because of her height, Bella is because of her leadership then. And not only that, they're really playing good this season and they deliver well dun sa team nila. Yun.
Your message for the NU men's and women's volleyball teams.
Sobrang happy ako na ginalingan nila and nakaabot na naman tayo ng finals, and congratulations sa kanila kasi nasa championship na naman tayo ngayon.
Please believe that the whole NU community in all campuses support you 100%. They are here to bring you confidence, and congratulations.
Seize the moment and go National University. Congrats, Belen. MVP.
For the men's and women's, grabe, championship teams. All I can say is, sobrang honored ako na maging honorary nationalian kasi ang galing nila. And also, sana tuloy-tuloy lang sila kasi grabe talaga yung mga taong na-inspire nila. Pati ako na-inspire ako sa kanila. Pero gusto ko rin mag-jogging after nila mag-train. Go National Youth!
Para po sa men's, pinakita nyo po yung best nyo and deserve nyo naman po yun dahil pinakita nyo po yung kaya nyo po and best nyo po. And sa women's naman, sobrang deserve po nila dahil kita naman po namin yung hard work and yung talagang motivation and inspiration nila outside and inside the court.
Both team, congratulations! Everyone really did a great job this season. Take care of your health. Marami pa tayong papahirapang team.
It was indeed an amazing season, not just for our athletes, but also for the whole NU community as they pour their hearts out in every point. For more content like this, follow us, NU, The National. I am Kester Rabago, and I am Adrian Gonzaga of TNTV, ending the volleyball season through the new side.